What up, everybody? Welcome back. We're picking back up. I was down for 2 days, but we're back. We're back at it. We're back at it. So here we go. We're picking up where we left off. And this is the part for today. Bring up texture, clarity. Yeah. Going to duplicate invert said mask if it will come up. keeps doing that. Since the update, I've been having issues with it. Let me know if you've been having issues with it. Weird how it's been lining up like that. Alright. Let us work upon our mask. Texture. Clear. Here is right here. Gone. See how well it does. You can do it. Not the best of jobs. Let's try that again. That's better. Ish. Oh wow. Well, what are you doing there? Let's see, number 1. Terrible. Number 2's better. We're gonna regenerate. What can you do? Make it better for me. Make it like number 2, but better, you see. That's what we need. Yeah. Oh no. That's alright. Alright, that's much better. I like that. I can do with that. People think these are the ones that are, yeah, they're the real ones. Alright. Let's see, pan. So, alright, that's our photo for today. And we'll see you tomorrow for the next. If I don't catch food poisoning and die for 2 days. Alright, bye-bye.